Los Olivos Elementary School prides itself on being a high-quality school at the forefront in educational trends. One of the trends coming toward us right now are the California Common Core standards, and these standards have a new focus upon collaborative problem solving, use of technology tools to create multimedia presentations, and on giving oral presentations using those multimedia creations. In order to get our students ready to meet the challenges of these standards, we needed new technology equipment. We were able to purchase these materials with a very generous one-time donation from the Fess Parker family, as well as a 3-year commitment from the Los Olivos School Foundation. And the commitment from the foundation was to fund 3 annual payments to the Apple Corporation for the lease purchase of our Apple equipment.
We got a lot of new stuff like the Macs, the iPads. We really didn't have anything.
They're really useful for science projects.
It's like when we need to research like about cells or stuff like that, and it's really useful.
It's pretty cool that we get iPads like these to use at school for videos.
Right now we're making video for like either the Republican or Federalist Party.
Technology is definitely a future, and we're really happy to be able to use it.
One of the things that I like most about the iPads in the classroom, it totally has the kids thinking in a different way. And we've got some of the students that struggle a little bit in the traditional style of learning, whether it's out of a textbook or having myself talk to the kids, but you put the iPad in front of them and they totally come to life.
The foundation has been established to help support the school with fundraising and providing additional financial resource for enrichment and those educational opportunities that otherwise the school would not be able to afford.
The foundation is in an ongoing fundraising mode to secure the required funds for these 3 annual payments. We count on you, the parents and families of our students and our community supporters, to help us gather these funds.
You're invited to the Los Olivos Field Fest, brought to you by the Los Olivos School Foundation. A farm-to-table dinner by Chef Clark Staub, full of life flatbread. Saturday, September 8th at Montanaro Farm, 2531 Grand Avenue, Los Olivos. 5 o'clock in the evening through 10.
Now I'm trying to get back before the cool done run out.
We look forward to seeing you there.
Nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn.